Hey guys, are you ready to dive into the future with an incredible team? Well, I've got something truly special for you today. Let me introduce you to the renewed Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 available at Ovantica.com. And guess what? We are offering an amazing 6 months warranty on top of the fantastic offers that you won't want to miss. Alright guys, let's dive straight into its features. The Z Flip5 isn't just a beauty queen, it's a beast under the hood. Powered by the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, it tackles any task you throw its way with ease. Game on high settings, edit 4K videos like a pro, or multitasking like a champ, all without a stutter. Display and battery. Ditch the movie theater lines. The Z Flip5 is your personal cinema powerhouse. Unfold the stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, smooth as 120Hz for movies that pop and games that glide. Flex Mode, your built-in director's chair, lets you shoot hands-free masterpieces, and a 3700 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging, power through your day, then recharge in a flash. Yes guys, these are some of the fantastic features of the Z Flip5, and it doesn't end there. It has got some hidden gems too. Interchangeable cover screen cards. Ditch board cases. The Z Flip5 has a unique magnetic slot on the back where you can snap on interchangeable cover screen cards. Imagine snapping on a fitness tracker card to see your steps directly on the cover screen, or a music card to control your tunes without unfolding. Possibilities are endless. Secret gestures. Feeling like a tech ninja? Master the Z Flip5's secret gesture for a more intuitive experience. Swipe down diagonally on the cover screen to quickly open the notification panel. Double tap and hold on the empty space of the cover screen to activate Bixby routines, like turning on the silent mode when you enter the library. Okay guys, now come to the great part. How to purchase this beast and where? At Ovantica.com, discover unbeatable prices on renewed phones offering a budget-friendly tech solutions. With a generous 6 months of warranty, excellent customer support and more, Ovantica ensures a seamless experience, making quality tech accessible to all. Okay guys, finally, don't miss out the opportunity on this great phone. Head over to Ovantica.com now and unlock the future with the renewed Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. Hurry, this offer won't last long. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button.